Hi guys, now we will see what is nesting of functions in class by using C++ program. So nesting of function means calling one member function within another member function of same class. I repeat, calling one member function within another member function of same class is called as nesting of member function. So here we will see one program for nesting of member function. So class product I have taken, which is having two members, integer piano, float cost. In public section we are having two methods, get data to assign values to piano and cost, and put data to display values of piano and cost. This is end of class declaration. Code for get data method is written with two parameters, int a, float b. Piano equals to a. Value coming from first parameter I am going to assign to piano. Value coming from second parameter I am assigning to cost b. And immediately after initializing piano and cost of object, I want to display the contents by using code of put data. So in put data we have already written code. We are displaying value of product number piano and product cost, it is cost. So this put data method I am calling within member function get data. So get data is one member function which is calling another member function of same class. So here this is called as nesting of functions. So this call is given implicitly, you can say, at the time of program execution. So in main now we have to simply create object and we have to call get data method. Implicitly it will call put data method here by nesting of function. So product P1, one object is created, P1.getData by passing two parameters. First integer, that is product number, second is cost, that is 22.50. So as per code written over here, piano will have value as 1, cost will have now value 22.50. And immediately after that, it will call put data method and our execution will come over here and it will display value of product number and product cost. So implicit call is given from get data, no need to call it here explicitly p1.putData again. Implicitly the call is given within get data by nesting of function. Similarly we have created second object, that is p2, p2.getData 2,55. So we are calling get data. So for second product P2, product number will be 2 and cost will be 55. It will call put data function by nesting of function again, and it will display value of piano as 2 and cost as 55. And end of program, that is get ch. So this is very simple. Calling one member function in another member function of same class, we can call it as nesting of member function. So put data is one of the function which is called in get data. So this is nesting of function. So now we save code, we compile and we execute. So as per the values given over there, product P1 having product number as 1, product cost as 22.5, product 2, product number is 2 and product cost is 55. So this is very simple to use, nesting of functions within the class in C++. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Keep watching.